afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Miss Brianne, and welcome back to Coding Fun with Miss Brianne. This is the series where I provide brief demonstrations on all the different coding toys, robots, computer software, and games that we here have to offer at the Westhampton Free Library, as well as some in my own personal collection. And once again, in today's program, I am bringing back Jacob, which is one of my Ozobot Evos. But keep in mind, we do have the Ozobot bits here at the library as well. And this is something that is going to be very quick. I just wanted to show you this really quick. As you see here, I drew a maze in the special markers that come with the Ozobot. And it's just a simple path that Jacob can walk on. But take a look. Looks like here there's an obstacle. It looks like the pathway is broken. Now what do you think, boys and girls? Do you think Jacob can go over that? Well, let's find out. So I'm going to power on Jacob. Then I'm going to calibrate him. Well, hold on a minute. There we go. Let's see what happens if he travels on the path by himself. So without pathway, he can't travel anymore. So, I know what you're thinking. How do we fix this? Well, I am going to place a sticker on the pathway right before Jacob jumps. So, I'm going to calibrate him again. Now let's see what happens when he travels the path this time. Oh, and then he just went over the obstacle, and now he can finish the maze or the path. Oh, hold on a minute. And sometimes it gets glitchy. I should always have paper. I should always cover this with paper so he knows what he's doing. But, as you can see, now that we're done with the maze, I put a code right before the obstacle that says jump straight. It's green, blue, green. And once Jacob read that code, it told him to jump or travel over the obstacle. So once he read that code, he jumped over and so he got to the other side of the pathway. And that's one way for Jacob or any Ozobot Evo to get over obstacles. Now we got some of the jump parts. We have here jump left, which has Ozobot jump and make a left turn. Jump straight, which allows the Ozobot to jump and go straight. And then we have jump right, which allows Ozobot to jump and make a right turn. But if you have like these dents, like these breaks in your pathway like here, you can program your Ozobot to jump over that so they can get to the path on the other side. And that's how to get over a break in your path or your maze. But in any event, that's how you overcome an obstacle, one of the obstacles in a maze or a pathway. I hope you had fun today. I hope you're looking forward to the other robots and games that I have to show you. But until then, this is Miss Brianne saying take good care of yourselves. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.